In this video, I'll show you how to use progress invoicing in QuickBooks Online. So this is perfect for billing customers in stages as you complete parts of a project. So first, make sure your progress invoicing is turned on. So click the gear icon and then go to the account settings and then select the sales in here. So click the sales and in here I'll scroll down and then look for the progress invoicing. So click this and turn it on. And then once you turn it on, click the save button and now go to the plus new button from the dashboard and then choose the estimate. And then in here, fill out the customer's details, the project description, and the items or services involved. And then after that, you can click the save and send or just save and close. So once the estimate is approved, go back to it and click the create invoice. So here you can choose how much to invoice, a percentage of the total, a custom amount for each line, or the full balance. So after this, select your option. QuickBooks will automatically fills in the invoice and then review the details and then click the save and send to email it to your customer. So you can repeat this process each time you're ready to invoice more of the project. And that's how you use progress invoicing in QuickBooks Online to stay organized and get paid on time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.